Is it legal to say I use Arch, by the way, when using CachyOS? Yes. No. No. Nobody cares. Do you use Arch Linux? No. Do you use Endeavor? No. Do you use CachyOS? Yes. Yes, you can. I'm really looking forward to the comments on this one. Today I'm installing CachyOS on my ThinkPad, replacing my current install of PubOS Cosmic. CachyOS seems to be all of the buzz at the moment, and I have tried it before, but unfortunately without much luck. Thanks to a lack of knowledge, but also Nvidia. Oh, and if you haven't seen the first 2 installments of this series, this is the ThinkPad that I got for free when I bought my iMac Pro. Here's the specs. This ThinkPad has replaced my M2 MacBook for about 2 months now, and I'm very happy with it. Despite its age, it's fast and the matte display is nice and big. And the keyboard. It's so damn good. The trackpad sucks, so I mostly use a mouse, although a lot of you have recommended using the little red nibble. I'll try soon, I swear. Anyway, let's install. So I have the ISO on this SSD, because I can't find my USB sticks. This was about $10 6 months ago. I guess that's changed now. Let's reboot and USB and hit the F12, I think it is. Can't remember. I think it's this one. CachyOS, nice. And there's the cursor. Here's the logo. Welcome to CachyOS. Thank you. Launch installer. Choose bootloader edition. Guess we'll go with Grub. It's the one I know. Velkommen til CachyOS installationsprogrammet. Yeah, it's in Danish. Let's switch that up. British English. Next. Yes, we are in Copenhagen. We need to change this to a Danish keyboard. Erase disk. Yeah, we do want to get rid of PubOS. I'm done with it. And I do want to go with the Plasma desktop. I like it quite a lot. Additional packages. Next. What is your name? Foci. What's the name of this computer? Foci. Now. Can you guess my password? Install now. And off it goes. I'll see you in a second. All done. That took like 6 minutes. Restart now. Here's the grub. And here we are at the lock screen. Let's type my very secure password. Welcome to CachyOS. Thank you. So what can we do in here? Documentation? Not now. Apps and tweaks? Okay, this is very neat. You can do a lot of stuff in here. Let's do a system update. There's nothing to do. Oh well. Okay, this install was like 10 minutes total. That's seriously impressive. Let's get OBS so you can follow along on the screen. Manage popular packages. Okay, maybe under video? No. Multimedia? No. Other? No. Oh, I can just search up here. OBS. Install. Okay. Okay, that was really fast. Do we just have OBS now? We do. Yep. Brightness. Works too. Nice. Let's hear the speakers. YouTube. I think you know what we're going to hear. Crab Rave. Alright, great. It works. Settings. Oh, theme. Breeze. Oh my god, flashbang. Let's stick with dark mode. Let's turn on the firewall. Great. Wallpapers. I'm so sorry, CachyOS. I'm just not into the whole anime girl style. CachyOS Adventure. Okay, that kind of looks like Ben 10. Oh, there it is. Liquid. I've missed this one. It's very PewDiePie like 10 years ago. Themes. Node. Apply. Okay, this looks pretty cool. It suits the wallpaper. See just how much you can customize. That's why I like KDE. Let's get some apps. There are different ways to do so, but I like Flatpak. Select your distro to get set up. Where's Cachy? Oh, Right. Arch, by the way. Sudo pacman s flatpak. Copy this, do that. Yes to install. First, a browser. I'm going with Mulvat as I'm currently testing out 5 different privacy-focused browsers. That video will be out soon. Mulvat is the last in the list and I'm going to be using it for a week. Developed in collaboration between the Tor project and Mulvat. Cool. It looks quite basic, not a lot of fluff. I like that. Let's go into settings. Ask before quitting. No, we don't need that. Oh, we can do vertical tabs. Although I think I'll keep it horizontal here. Show sidebar. No. Homepage and new windows. Blank page. New tabs. Blank page. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's go to Flatpak so we can install some more apps. So far the browser feels just as fast as Zen, but I'm not sure I like the look as much. This is Blanket. Nice. If you're in academics, Zotero is a must-have. It will save you a lot of time. Trust me. Here it is. I'll log in later. Next is OnlyOffice. Yeah, and this is OnlyOffice. Not much to say here, it's my preferred office alternative. As you might have noticed, this footage is from the 21st of January, which means I've been daily driving CachyOS for 3 weeks now, and it's really good. I really like it. I've talked more in depth about CachyOS in my recent tier list video, so maybe watch that one. But what I can say is that it doesn't feel much faster than PubOS, but my experience is still that it's snappier, and I much prefer the aesthetic of it, paired with the level of customization of the KDE desktop in terms of the larger project, namely of using this now 8-year-old ThinkPad for most of my work. It's still absolutely sufficient. I have no complaints. I don't really have a reason to upgrade the 8 gigs of RAM that I initially planned to do. Of course, the battery is dead, so a replacement of that would be nice. But then again, at home and at uni, I always have a power plug nearby. Also, I think replacing the battery would cost as much as buying a newer ThinkPad, at least in Denmark. That said, the T480 is still quite attractive to me, especially because it doesn't have a numpad, which I don't use anyway. The small difference in size would be nice for portability, as the L580 is a bit large in my backpack. Anyway, that was all I had for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thanks to Zeus, Justin, Yen, Afro Aries, Cal, Lester, and Nick's PC Shenanigans. You too can become a member of the channel, if it's financially responsible of you. Right now there are 2 tiers with different perks, but in addition to these, all members are invited to join a VIP channel in the Discord. Okay, bye.